This is a short video on how to roll up a towel or a blanket to use it for some of the purposes that I use to rehab different muscles and movements in the body. You're just going to take your blanket or your towel and you are going to fold it hot dog or hamburger style. Folding hamburger style. So you are left with more or less of a square. A little bit more of a rectangle, really. And then you're going to take that and you're going to fold that in half so that way you have a hot dog. You got that nice long hot dog, and then from there, you were going to roll it up like a nice jelly roll. Roll it tight because we are going to be laying on it. And this can be a useful tool for a bunch of different things that I do. And so a big, thick towel is going to have a larger roll, and a thin towel or a thin blanket is going to have a thinner roll. Start with thin ones, and then build up as you are ready, because sometimes if it's too big, then that'll interfere with our ability to find ease in the body. And that is what this is all about.